Good day guys, for today's video ay magluluto po tayo ng gulay, pakbit po. Sari-saring gulay for today's ulam. Ayan po, hugasan muna natin yung ating vegetables. Ayan. And then, may panghalo po tayong chicken para sumarap naman yung gulay natin. Ayan. Hinaluan lang natin ng konting chicken. Pampalasa lang ng gulay. Ayan. Then after that, kasan natin yung ating and then the onions. And after that, hiwain na natin yung sibuyas and then bawang. Yan lang po yung ating main ingredients sa ating gulay. Dahil kunti lang naman, ayan, kalahating sibuyas lang. And then, 3 bawang. Ayan guys, for only 20 pesos lang po yung gulay natin. And then, 20 pesos na chicken pansahog. Kunti lang po dahil 3 lang naman kaming kakain. Palatan muna natin yung bawang. Yung gulay natin is good for 3 lang po para hindi masayang. Yung ating ulam ngayon. Ayan, tapos na. And then, i-ready na natin yung ating kawali. Then after that, lagyan ng oil. Just a little bit oil. Ayan, and then saute the garlic and onions. And then ilagay na natin ang ating chicken. Just let it brown. Ayan, ganyan lang po magluto guys. Simple. Kunti lang yung halo. Ayan. And then, ilalagay po natin yung gulay. Ayan. Kinamay ko na po. Malinis naman yung kamay ko. And then, halo-haloin lang natin yan. Bisa-bisa lang. And then, lalagyan po natin ng soy sauce. Ayan, yan ang ating pampalasa yung toyo. And then, add water. Ayan, ganyan lang karaming tubig kasi konti lang naman siya. And then, seasoning. I just use seasoning to add the flavor. Ayan. Patapos na siya guys. Thank you for watching guys. Please do subscribe our small channel.